Okay, welcome to our next video. We are now going to see how to configure Active Directory. So on our previous video, we saw how to install Active Directory, which is on your left. So let's see how to configure. So you click on the notification and click promote this server to a domain controller. Then the next step is add a new domain controller to an existing. So we don't have anything which is existing currently. So we are going to click add a new forest. Then we choose our domain name. So our domain name, we are going to write cop.com. So that will be our domain name. Then you click next. Then you wait for the installation. So the functional level is server 2016. It will install DNS and global catalog server at the same time. So we are not going to make it read-only. So the first server is always a writable server. So password for recovery, you can just put the password. Then you click next. So the password doesn't meet the complexity, so you can just put a strong password. Then we repeat it again. Then you click next. Then you click next again. Then we are now waiting for NetBIOS to resolve the name. So within a short time, that's okay. So the name has been resolved to COP. Then click next. So this is the default location where the ADDS database log files and sysvol files will be stored by default. So we just don't change anything. We just click next. So this is the overall whatever we have done the configuration. You can also do via the script, but we are done by the graphical user interface. So you click next. Then now we wait for the prerequisite to be completed. So it's now checking if all whatever we have done is accurate. So all prerequisite checks pass successfully. So now we can click install. So within a short time, the installation will be completed, and now the server will restart automatically. So that is all about how we can be able to configure Active Directory. On our next video, we are now going to see how we can be able to join Windows 10. So we have Windows 10 here. So you can be able to see, so this is Windows 10. You'll be able to see how to join Windows 10 to Active Directory domain service. So we are going to join Windows 10 to the server. That is on our next video. So thank you so much for watching. So stay tuned as we now go to another video for joining client to the server. So the server is okay, so it's now restarting. So we just close. Thank you for watching.